It's been 3 years since Ajax Systems released a hub in 2016, there it is. After that, we've also seen the enhanced Ajax Hub Plus version coming out, which main features are a Wi-Fi support, system scale increase, and a second backup SIM card slot. And you can see a video dedicated to the Hub 1 and the Hub Plus, following that hand in there, or click the link below. So, it's a September 2019, the Apple announces new iPhones, and the Ajax Systems releases Ajax Hub version 2. And maybe that was on purpose, maybe not, we don't know. But what we know and what we see is a Hub 2 version 2 in front of us, and now we are going to glance through the updates we have and compare it to the Hub 1 and the Hub Plus. And of course, we will be launching sales for the Hub 2 soon on the People System store, along with all other 25 Ajax devices, where you can go following the description link. I'm Daniel. Breaking in.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
And so here I also have the Ajax Hub 1 and the Hub Plus for the instance and comparisons. And well, regarding the Ajax Hub 2, I'm quite sure we are going to see a Hub 2 Plus version as well, and I'm gonna answer how did I know throughout this video. So the box is white independently from the device color, the same way it's done with the Hub 1 box. Although similar to the Hub Plus box, Ajax have added a support TED cellular standards marking on the box front on the bottom left corner here, and they have also changed a description markup on the back, where the main features are highlighted in here. Now let's open out the box and see what's inside. And as I already know from the Ajax, it's nothing changed so far, and I think why would they change something that works good yet? And so they didn't. The Hub 2 looks 100% identical in compared to a regular and a Hub Plus versions. Although what is different is located on the backside cover that slips off pretty hard, as well as in the previous generation, and you gotta put some effort to uncover insides. On the manner of Hub Plus, here we have double SIM card slot, along with the location of all other inputs and buttons, and that didn't change too. Power button and the power button, SIM card slots, LAN cable, power cable, and the temper button. Along with the box, we also have, let's see what we got in. Oh, there's one more brick in here, and also you got a few dowels and screws waiting for you as you slip the cover off. And here you probably have the yes, of course, the white LAN cable and white power cable, which you again just insert here. This one goes here, SIM cards, power, and we got everything. And here's the Hub Plus for the instance. Well, even though the visual appearance remained the same, what we're really curious about is a feeling, well, the specifications. And this is where a Hub 2 reveals himself. The new and exclusive function it has, the brand new motion cam sensor support. And if you haven't heard about it, well, that's a device based on the infrared sensor, and it's basically a combination of the built-in 640 by 480 pixels resolution camera and the infrared sensor triggered by the movements. Infrared sensor launches the camera to take series of photos, and afterwards sends it to the hub and to the phone then via one of the internet channels, which is a wired LAN cable and one of the SIM cards. We'll definitely make a video about a motion cam in conjunction with a Hub 2.0 right after we'll get our hands on it. So yeah, Ajax Hub 2.0 has LAN input as well as two 2G able SIM slots, working in a parallel and replacing each other in the emergency cases. So that's what meant by this 3 communication channels inscription right in here. And speaking of updates, we got all new Ajax Wings radio transmitting technology support here. That guarantees that photos taken from the motion cam will be delivered even if the internet speed will decrease down to 5 kilobytes per second. What else new, but well, not exclusive, the scenario support. This feature comes with a firmware updates and will be also available on older devices like Ajax Hub and Hub Plus a bit later. So what is it? Well, at the release moment, this is a set of work algorithms for the Ajax relay, wall switch and the Ajax socket. These scenarios are getting activated when you arm your system on your phone or the key fob. Afterwards, it's automatically able to lock or unlock contacts of the Ajax relay or turn the Ajax socket on and off. Of course, within a firmware update, more scenarios will be added. And speaking of hub distinctions, here's a pivot table for your information. Hub 2 as well as Hub Plus supports 30 scenarios, while a regular hub is capable of only 10. Hub 2 supports up to 100 simultaneous devices connected, up to 50 users, up to 9 groups, a third-party cameras or the NVR's connected amount reaches up to 25 devices. The battery here lasts 16 hours with the electricity grid down, and that's the only device that supports a motion cam at the moment. At first, actually, we were going to record the activation and connection as we always do, but after we found out that actually nothing new happens and goes the same way here, we figured out we shouldn't waste your time. For the ones who have ever faced the Ajax systems devices, the process wouldn't cause any difficulties. Guys, it happens the same way it is with the Hub 1 and the Hub Plus. And if you haven't faced it or just want to remind yourself, go for that link behind the hand in there or the description link. You'll find a complete Hub 1 and Hub Plus distinctions, activation, connection, and sensors pairing process. But to be exact, there will be a video featuring Ajax Hub 2 activation and motion cam pairing, so stay tuned. So that's an awesome device. Probably, well, even a revision model, taking into account a really slight price distinctions with a regular Ajax Hub, and well, I don't know what the exact numbers will be, but the difference won't be more than 5 or 10%. What I'm really excited for is a conjunction within a motion cam device and for a Hub 2 Plus version. And soon we'll release a video featuring motion cam 2 plus the Ajax Hub 2. So subscribe, click the bell icon and stay tuned for updates. I got all of the Ajax system devices and a worldwide delivery in a People System store for you within a special offer if you'll specify that you are subscribed. The link is below in the description, and we are waiting for you in a People System store. Thank you for watching, thank you for being with us today. Our main goal is your protection in the People Systems.